way to start a video. We're over at Elite Tuner. Eric's not here with us today. Eric's stuck back at home now. He's not out squirreling with cars like he always is. This is supposed to be one of the biggest events. They got drifting, they got two-step competitions, Carlin, but I don't know if I'm going to get all that. I don't know how long I'm going to be here today. Now this is a nice M3 competition. This thing is cammed out. Got nice Rohanas on there. The two-color flip with the pink and the black. Then we got a really nice S2. This one's really clean. I like the ones with the hardtop, especially this one that has the carbon fiber hardtop. Now this is really nice. It's all yellow. Look at it, all carbon fiber with the hardtop. Yeah, this is a nice spec. I like this spec. Got a Nissan GTR. Now check out this Type R. This is a nice purple wrap on it with the body kit. With the aftermarket spoiler, this does look really good. They even wrapped the R. Oh, that does look sick. I like the way that looks. Another S2, yellow with the hardtop. Especially with it being carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. That does look cool. The hood. Yeah. Now that does look sick. I like the way that one looks. And then, got a few over here. Got a nice 370, another S2000. I'm gonna go zigzag back and forth. Yeah, this is a nice 370. We've got the carbon fiber flares on it. The splitter. There's another S2. I like the big old wing on it. Another hard top with the carbon fiber. That's the third one we already seen already. So this one looks really good. I like the way they did with the wrap with the red. And let me know, how do you guys feel about these with the curtains on the cars? It does look good with the carbon fiber and stuff, with the headrest. Let me know what you guys think in the comments on that. I'm not a big fan of it, but this is a nice Acura. And another Acura. This is an Integra, the new one, so A-spec. It does look really good. I do like that blue color though. And look at this BMW. It's got Lamborghini doors on it. It's clean, not my style though, but gotta get them. Got spinners on there. We got a nice Celica GT right here. It's got HKS GT4, right-hand drive too. Yep, that does look good. Look at this 370, the body kit, the spoiler. It's got a nice liver around it. I do like the way it is, good life. This does look good. It's all gutted out. Yeah, this one's really nice. I like the color scheme on it. Alright. Got a Volkswagen STI. Got a Camaro. I'm not a big fan of Camaros, but they're good cars. Here's another Type R. I'm really digging the Type Rs. They're really growing on me. Look at that. That does look nice and clean. Got Eagle Talon. Now you got a Honda Accord right here. I like that color scheme. With the white wheels. I don't like the curtains. Another thing with the curtains again. I don't know what the hell this is. XB, it's a toaster lifted up. Okay, if they want to go that route, it's all up to them. There's the Acura RSX. The other Type R, this one's really clean. I like the fitment on it. Now we're getting closer to the music. Oh, this is really clean.
little sweethearts up in the tree kissing, and she like doing a spell shit down with my tongue tipping. Never got that bitch so broken it can't fix it. Used to grow the tea bags, yeah, in the back kitchen. Came too far not to use what I got given. Now I'm up an echelon, got used to the pop pissing like. Got used to the pop pissing. Hey, got used to the pop pissing. Got used to the pop pissing.
Alright guys, it's already getting dark out, and I had to jump the car or I would have vlogged on it, but I just went for a ride right here with Chris, and dude, it was so amazing, guys. Yeah, it was an amazing time riding in this car. Till next time, stay humble.